Introducing a rare opportunity to own a stunning lakefront property on desirable Lake James. This spacious over 4,000 SF home boasts 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, providing ample space for your family and guests. The main floor features an ensuite bedroom with double vanity, jetted tub, shower, and walk-in closet, offering convenience and privacy. With 10 ceilings and large floor-to-ceiling windows, the great room offers gorgeous views of the lake and exudes an open and airy feel, creating a welcoming atmosphere for gatherings and entertainment. Custom oak kitchen and bathroom cabinets, oak-cased windows and trim, 6-panel oak doors throughout. Upstairs, you will find another ensuite bedroom with vaulted ceilings and large windows overlooking the lake, and bathroom with double vanity, jetted tub, shower, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom, ensuring that everyone has their own space. Large 25x14 rec room with a full bath attached provides endless possibilities for leisure activities or can be converted into a home office or gym. Oversized 2-car attached garage provides plenty of space for vehicles, storage, and workstation. 3-season room with roll-up window covers. 47 of waterfront with a sandy shallow beach for kids. Large pier included. Situated on a small island with private access and across from Pokagon State Park, this property offers not only breathtaking lake views, but also easy access to outdoor activities and nature trails. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a lakefront retreat in the highly sought-after Lake James area. Schedule your private viewing today and experience the beauty and tranquility this home has to offer.